Glam Fam, so today we are going to be doing a amazing, super grungy, dark makeup look. You guys already know this is like my favorite type of makeup to do, and I'm just so excited because this is done with the new palette from Deck of Scarlet. And if you guys don't know, I am a huge Deck of Scarlet fan and user myself. They have some crazy amazing products, and it's a subscription service. So if you are someone like me that gets super bored and don't really want like an everyday makeup routine, this is perfect for you, because for just $29.95 you get a makeup set in the mail every other month, and it's super flexible. You can cancel at any time. They have some crazy amazing products already, and I can only imagine what their brand is going to grow to in the future. So if you guys would like to check out Deck of Scarlet, check out the link in the description below. I have a secret that I get to share with you today. I am starting a new channel, and it's gonna be called Josie or Josie K. I'm so excited. I'm going to be sharing a lot more of my life with you guys instead of just the beauty side of things. Maybe we'll do some mukbangs. Maybe we'll do some keto prepping. Maybe we'll do some keto recipes. Maybe we'll just do a day in the life. My morning routines, more of my routines, more of my night routines, all of that stuff on the new channel. So if you guys would, I know I don't have any videos up right now, but it would really help me out if you guys would go hit the subscribe button on that channel. I will leave a link to it in the description so you can check it out. I'm hoping to post my first video within the next week or so, so it would be awesome if I had some of you guys already over there to see the channel and the video. I'm so excited. It's so new for me, and yeah. So if you guys would go check that channel out for me, it would be amazing, and I would be eternally grateful. Glam Fam number 2. That's pretty awesome. On this video, guys, please let me know in the comments below what you guys would like to see on my new channel. If you guys could give me some ideas, that would be amazing, and I would be super thankful. I will write everyone back that comments on this video. Alright, I'm gonna stop rambling now. Let's get into this video. By the way, guys, I have worked with Deck of Scarlet many times. You guys already know I absolutely love them. They are sponsoring this video, but again, cannot stress this enough that it is a great brand, and if you guys check them out, I am fully confident that you will love them too. Hey Glam Fam, we are going to be going in with this Deck of Scarlet new edition. I am super excited. This is edition number 17. They collab with influencers on the makeup that they produce for the subscription service. This month is Julia Adams. This is what she looks like. Beautiful. And their makeup and palette this month is, I am so excited to use it. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, guys. I am so excited. I already have a moisturizer on and my eyebrows done. So let's get into it. By the way, guys, I did this hair with a flat iron by Irresistible Me. If you guys would like a tutorial on it, let me know. I'm going to start this off by priming with the Sigma eyeshadow base primer. This is in the color Ignite. And what I like to do is I like to just trace out the bottom of my brow. And then just do a couple drags down. And then I just blend it out with my fingers. I'm just gonna lightly go in with some translucent powder just to set that base just a little bit. Let's jump into the palette. Alright, so first, I'm actually gonna go into the blush, and we're gonna pop this into the crease. Another thing that I absolutely love about Deck of Scarlet is they are some of the easiest shadows that I have ever blended out in my life, which is saying something because I have worked with so many shadows. Such a pretty, cool toned blush, which I absolutely love. The first color we dipped into was Horizon, and now we're gonna be going into the crease with Hazy. All right, then I'm gonna go in with Breathe, and we are going to place this right underneath our brow. Look at that, guys. Ooh, that is pretty. This is Vibe, a dark navy blue, and we are going to pack this all over our lid. We are going to stay away from our inner tear duct because I'm going to pack on the shimmer colors there a little bit later. Right now we're just really focusing on the color buildup. We are going to dip into the Haze, but also a tiny bit of the Vibe, and just focus this right on the edge of the navy blue. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my finger, and we are just going to pack some of the Soul onto the outer portion of our tear duct. So here is our tear duct. We're gonna shift it just a little bit over and just pack this on to look how beautiful that is, guys. Oh, that is beautiful. Then I'm gonna go in with Breathe, which is the light shimmer color, and we are going to put this into the very inner portion of our eye. The inner tear duct. That is so beautiful, guys. Oh, I feel like my camera's not doing it justice. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. I'm just gonna go in and pack a little bit more of the navy blue onto the outer portion of the eye. Now I'm gonna go in and line. Just a quick winged liner. And I'm going to do my face portion of this makeup. For that, I'm gonna be using the Angel Veil Primer by NYX, and then the Collab Bright Spark Radiant Foundation. First, we're gonna go in with the blush. This is the Horizon blush that we used on our eyes before. And then we're gonna go in with the Wild Child. All right. So the dual-ended lip defying crayon is this beautiful dark red purple that I am really loving. And then the lip gloss is a nudie color, mauve-y. Then the liner, which we're gonna put in our waterline, is this beautiful mint, super shiny color. Now I'm gonna do the bottom portion of my eyes. We're gonna go in with first the gray color. This is Hazy, and then we will go in with Vibe. Ooh, very vampy. And you guys already know I'm all about that vamp life. All right, so now I'm going to apply my mascara and lashes. I will be right back. All right, guys, that is it for this tutorial. Makeup is done, lashes are on. I absolutely love how this makeup came out. If you would like to check out Deck of Scarlet, I will link them in the description below. Also, Don't forget to check out my new channel in the description as well. And that is it. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.